What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000.com, going to show you an app where you can basically just get paid to answer simple questions. I mean, these really not even surveys, they're just simple questions. You're going to be able to answer them. You won't get kicked out or anything like that in answering the questions. And you're going to get points every day just for going about your day. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll make points doing answering the question, and then you'll make points just having the location on the app turned on. So I'm going to show you how it works. So you see here, take survey. I'm going to click on take survey. When I do that, questions are going to pop up, and I'm just going to show you how you answer them and what they're about. So here we go, take survey. So you see here, just ask me where was I on this day at this time. So I just say Central Market. The thing about it is you don't really have to lie about it, because like, I mean, you're going to get the points anyway. They're just going to ask you. They just want you to be truthful in it. So I'm just going to, be a few questions, but you'll get credit at the end of this. I'm just going to show you that. Just I'm still answering the questions here. So they usually ask you the days of the past like week or so. Sometimes they ask you when you visit this place, did you make a purchase? How much did you purchase? Things like that. Again, you just answer it. Not difficult at all. So I'm just going to just show you this. Continue to answer these questions. And you see there, my points went up just like that. So now I have 5,140 points. With the points, you can go down here to rewards, and you see all the things that you can get. For me, you got sweepstakes here that you can, try and look at. An opportunity to win big prizes. Just showing you all that. They got Amazon. They got everything in there really that you can choose from. And they also have guaranteed rewards where you'll basically just, for 2,000 points, you get $1 Amazon card, $2 Amazon card, $5, $25. You know what I'm saying? So there's, prizes that you can get. And the thing about it, you'll get points literally every day with this app. Like I said, it works with the questions. You get points for that. But then having your location turned on and having this app allowing to track your location, you'll get points, every day just for having it on. So I think maybe like 40, 50 points a day just off that. Plus, what you're getting from taking the little surveys or the questions or whatever. So, I mean, it's really easy money. There's really not a lot of effort that you have to put into this app to cash out on. If you use this app regularly, you'll probably end up cashing out at least once a month. So, I mean, it's not an app that's going to get you rich, but it will, put a little extra money in your pocket here and there. And, we could all use extra money. So I just recommend you guys download this app. The link to it is in the description. If you're interested in making even more money, please visit my website, pennies2000.com. And that way you can see all the websites and apps that I use that are all completely free in order to make money. And if you're one of those people who want to make real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day, I encourage you to book a session. The link to book a session will be in the description, in which I will do a one-on-one session with you and showing you how you can make $150 a day. And it is very easy. Anybody can do it. I teach you the steps. I teach you the strategies of what you have to do. And believe me, it is very, very possible. All you have to do is exactly what I'm telling you. So I encourage you again to book a session. Click the link in the description. Or you can go to my website, pennies2000.com. Click on the book a sessions tab and get started with that today. But first, I want you to download this app. Get started with it. And always remember, every penny counts.